Y'all should trust me with these canned food recipes. I think I proved to y'all by now, like, I really got this shit down pat. Butter it down because you don't want it to dry up. We're gonna put it in the microwave. We about to prepare this while we wait. Oh, this is what it look like. But you gotta take the meat out and leave the liquid in there. It's good, but we gonna make it better. Y'all see what I mean? So now it's not so runny. We're not gonna do too much. Just pour in some barbecue sauce. Mix that shit in. Alright, so that's our new meat. Take the potato out. Put this shit in. And then a little bit of garlic salt. Mix that shit in. And just pour that on top. A little bit of cheese. And then a little sour cream. And that's it, y'all.